Okay, so let's set up now all of the things you need for Claude Code on Windows. We are going to visit Node.js org/download. Let's download the Windows installer. At the same time, let's download Git. And we also need Python. You're going to have all of these links in like a PDF with information about the course. So after we have downloaded everything, let's install. The first thing we're going to install is Node.js. Just go with the default settings for all of the things that we're installing. Now let's install Git. And now we also need to install Python. It's very important to click Add Python exe to path. Okay, we're ready with the dependencies. Now, Git is going to help you with saving your work so that you can return to previous states. Node.js is going to help you with building web applications, and Python is going to help you with building quick local scripts. Now let's continue with downloading and setting up Claude Code. We are going to run the following command. Let me just copy it. And to do that, we're going to open the command line. So you come here, you find command prompt, and we need to paste the following command. Okay. And now we can proceed with running Claude. Let me type the command Claude. Simply writing this is going to open it. You can choose different modes of how code changes are going to be visualized, but I don't think you're going to be reading that much of the code, so you can just directly proceed with enter. And there are different ways to use Claude. Usually you're going to have a subscription both through the main website, but if you took part into our giveaway, you might have won an API, and in that case there is like a little bit different flow where you don't need to log into your Claude account. I'm going to show you how to achieve that too, but let's first go with the Claude account with subscription if you don't have an API key. So I'm going to choose that option, and now my browser is going to open Claude AI, and I would need to click on authorize. Before that, you would need to buy a subscription, and you might start with the $20 one, or if you want to be a power user, you can go with $100 or $200 per month. Okay, now we need to press enter to continue. Let's continue again. Yes, I trust this folder. And now we can say, how are you? Okay, it works. Now let me also show you how to achieve the same thing if you want an API key. We are going to do logout. Now write the following. The first part of the command is set Anthropic API key equals, and then follows an API key that you have won from the giveaway. Now, you're going to have a custom one. You're not going to use this one, as this one is going to be deleted after the video is being uploaded to YouTube, and it would not be a valid one. Now let's continue. And now we can say again Claude. Continue. It's also important to know that, okay, we confirm. It's also important to know that you would need to write the set commands every time you are trying to open Claude for the very first time after you have restarted your computer, and that's because you need to, set this variable in your computer. But I mean, no need to know what this is all about. You just need to do it every time you restart your computer. Before you open Claude, you write the set command with your API key, and that's until your credits are decreased to 0, and then you need to buy a subscription. So let's continue. And now I can say, how are you? Okay, it works. And that's the tutorial about setting up Claude Code on Windows. Thank you.